One of the most popular features on Instagram is dark mode. It's especially useful at night because it reduces eye strain and also gives the app a sleek look. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to enable dark mode on Instagram for Android. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. At the top right corner, tap the three-line menu icon. Now, scroll down and go to the accessibility section. Here, you'll see the dark mode option. When you tap it, you'll have three choices. If you select on, Instagram will always stay in dark mode. If you select off, Instagram will always stay in light mode. And if you select system default, Instagram will automatically switch between light and dark mode based on your phone's system settings. That's it. From now on, you can easily switch your Instagram to dark mode and enjoy the new look anytime you want. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips and tricks.